Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Poulet Sauté Chasseur. Poulet is basically a French word for chicken and chasseur is a derivative of brown sauce. Poulet Sauté Chasseur is also known as hunter chicken. So for the ingredients, here we have chicken, rosemary sprig, Dijon mustard, fine chopped garlic, olive oil, white wine, seasoning, chopped tomatoes, red wine, fine chopped onion and sliced mushroom. Now I am going to marinate the chicken. First I will take olive oil, fine chopped garlic, Dijon mustard, and rosemary. And marinate this gently. After that, I'll add some white wine, some salt and pepper. Toss it gently again and keep it in the fridge for around 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes and I am going to take out the chicken from the fridge. Now I am going to turn on the gas and place a pan. First, heat the oil. Add some garlic, and let them crackle. Afterward, I'll add some chopped onion. Rosemary. Fine chopped tomatoes, saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add some sliced mushroom and toss it gently. Now it's time to add the chicken. Dijon mustard, red wine. And the last, salt, and pepper. And cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Now, as you can see that my chicken is ready and I am going to plate it. Garnish with some fine chopped parsley.